So today I decided to go for a project, and this project is all about solar energy project. This solar project is about generation of 3.0 kilowatt of energy. How do I generate 3.0 kilowatt? That is 30,000 watts of energy. So I decided to go ahead in generating the 3000 watts. This 3000 watts can actually be generated with 300 watts solar panel or 250 watt solar panel, including 400 solar watt panel. But according to our client demands, he demands a Canadian panel, and in Nigeria, what we call Canadian panel are the used panel that still has the ability to generate energy based on the warranty. As we all know that solar panel has 25 years warranty and it's hardly got damage unless it is broken with the cells. So because of that, he demanded for Canadian panel, and we are trying to put them in order. As we all know that most of the times the Canadian panel doesn't come with the required cable, which is the cable at the back is not enough. The length of the cable is too short. So on that note, what you need to do is get your cable, measure them appropriately, then connect it individually according to the terminals. Ensure that you maintain the polarity, the positive to the positive and negative to the negative. Then raise the panels to the roof. As you can see us taking the panels up to the roof in order to set it at the point of the sunlight. When it is properly positioned, it has the ability to generate up to 36 volts. But when it is on the normal, that is on the ID state, it has 24 volts. This is how we raise the panel to the roof individually. The complete 10 panels were taken to the roof, and after this, as we took time to do it one after the other, just watch the steps we are taking to ensure that these panels are placed at the appropriate place on the roof. And I have my next panel. I'm trying to take it up right now, and this is done until the last of it was taken to the roof. Then we continued with our connections. This job was actually done in Onitsha, GRA, NPA, Transikese, exactly the position we need it. Now, after putting them on the roof, as you can see them, they are properly arranged. Each of them from 1 to 10 are properly arranged, and we are running the connections also. What are the connections that are needed in these energy generations? We need the series connection and the parallel connection, but here what we are doing now is the parallel connection. The parallel connection gives us the edge to generate more current than we think in series connection. Parallel connection also helps us to ensure that the cables are interconnected, positive to positive, negative to negative, in order to maintain the required voltage of our charge controller and also the required amperage for the batteries. So now this job is done, and we have been able to connect all of them in parallel connections, taking it down from the connections to the charge controller. Before you feed in the solar panel to the charge controller, there are things you need to do first. First, connect your batteries and send it to charge controller. Then the indicators on the charge controller should show on before you feed in your panels. This can be done with either MPPT or PWM. Here I am using PWM to work, and you can see me fixing it the way it is and the way it should be. So on this note, you must ensure that you connect the terminals at the appropriate places. And this is how I did it to get the result. Watch this and see. After connecting it, you can see what happened in the next section. Keep watching as I terminate it and power the system. Now, now that it has been connected, the next thing is to connect your inverter system. Connecting your inverter system allows you feed in the input and the output to the inverter. What do I mean by input? See the charge controller. So this is how it works. After connecting the inverter, it gives you the edge to get what is happening around. Then you turn on the inverter. After your connections, you can see the load. Use it to power this fan and also the entire boutique. Will be turning on all the lightning points, and you can see how it has been able to power the environment through the lighting points. See these cameras, all the lighting points in the boutique, including the fans. It's all power switch, all the electricities, and with this you can power your fridge. Also, you have AC that will use it to power. But this is basically for the lighting points, fans, and TV. This is what this inverter is made, and we've been able to power this boutique with everything here. You can see the lighting points powered, and you can see the fans on and the TVs on too. You can equally do the same anywhere and anything you need it to power.